security is pissed, bro. Damn, he's going for the bin. Today's video is brought to you by Corsa SG. They've sent me a few pieces from their new Formula 1 collection, which just dropped earlier this week. So let's get dressed. Head over to www.corsa.sg and grab your F1 gear today. We just came out from like Koi. We didn't know it parked. So before I head back in there for dinner, we gotta check this out. This is a full Liberty Walk white body Gallardo. This is honestly one of my favorite Lambo builds in Singapore. Everything about it is just like straight out of Japan. You've got the full LB kit, you've got the REVS air suspension, and there is a crazy sound system in there. You can see like the huge speaker in the middle. Check that out, that is proper insane. I'm doing a little bit of car spotting today. That blue Novitec Aventador just pulled up, but I'm here to check this out. This is Singapore's third Lamborghini Revuelto. This is my first time seeing the brand new V12 Lambo, and it looks really good. Like, I love how it looks. It's also finished in a really beautiful shade of green. Overall, it's just a really nice design. It's a pretty nice step up from the Aventador, and the spec it's in is really nice as well. One of my favorites in today's lineup has to be this Avorio F8 Tributo. It's a beautiful spec. These blue stripes are vinyl, but we gotta check out the interior with the matching Avorio trim and the blue carpets. Revuelto spotted. So I did not think of the car spotting today, but there seems to be a mini GT-R meetup here at MW. So yeah, today's lineup seems pretty stacked. Okay, I have no idea what's going on, but like the security is mad today. The security is pissed, bro. They're shouting at everyone that's standing on the road to take photos, and I have no idea why. Because
He wants to be the next best car spotter.
like since when was this an issue? People can't even walk anymore. They're literally walking to the mall, and this guy had to shout at them. Security seems to be like taking down their GT-R's license plate. Damn, they are on the ball today. Yeah, he's going for the van. He's going for the van. What does the paper say though?
He says like, we will appreciate cooperation to move the car.
Oh. But it's not blocking any of the buses though.
No.
Because we figured out that like, okay, the reason why the security are so uptight today is because of all the buses coming through. But oh, the poor van, the poor gumball van. I scared I'm gonna get shouted at, bro. I'm standing on the road.
Oh, it's getting on the road.
Oh, get off the road.
Whoa, I'm gonna get shot.
So it looks like the gumball van has received what is this? We would appreciate your cooperation to park your vehicle in a designated parking lot. Yeah, that's basically what it says. And like, yeah, this isn't new, but it's the first time I'm seeing them enforce this like so strictly. Oh, we got a Gallardo. Five 599 Vista. Shut up. Somewhere there. Dog spotting. This is like a random side quest today. Yeah, dog spotting.
Yeah, MW not only got car,
MW
but
dog spotting.
Yeah.
GT-R detected. Oh, it's... Is it? I thought it was Sherms. This is the best thing I've seen today. This Altis has like custom-made gumball stickers. See, if you park this with all the Koenigseggs and Paganis in the lineup, I wouldn't even be able to tell the difference.